ready for DC Startup Week?
I love the energy of DC Startup Week. It's great to not just learn from each other, but also to share the energy.
DC Startup Week is a week that I literally look forward to because we've been a sponsor for several years, and now since 2021, we launched one of our exciting grant programs.
It takes so much courage to get in the arena as an entrepreneur and to see so many people with ideas and visions and the willingness to take that chance and that risk to make something great happen.
Everyone's fired up. Everyone is electric. The energy is just really high here.